Hello boys and girls, this is Sarah Poff and those art hands. Today we're going to make a pinch pot. Now I thought you might have a little fun seeing this pinch pot. This is a pinch pot I made when I was in 4th grade. So I thought you would enjoy seeing it. See, you see my initials right there on the bottom. So that would be back in the 60s. This is the pinch pot that I made as a sample for our art class. Alright, you will get a piece of clay this size. We are using what is called air dry clay on this project. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the piece I gave you, it's a triangle shape, and we're going to mash it around trying to get it in to the shape of a ball. Just trying to work real hard to get it into the shape of a ball. Now I like to say I push in my thumb and I don't pull out a plum. I push in my thumb and I start making a pot. So now what I did is I put my thumb in there and I made a little hole. And now I'm going to start pinching around. See, I pinch with my finger, I pinch with my thumb. Now it starts to crack just a little bit like that. So in just a minute I'm going to tell you what you do next. Okay, here goes with the next step. We need a little water. We want to just take our finger. Did you see what I did? I dipped the tip of my finger in there. I don't want a lot because that will make it sloppy. I just want a little bit. And so what I do is I take my finger and I rub out those cracks. What we're doing is we're stretching the clay, and it didn't have quite enough moisture in it to stretch that much. So I just keep going and going, and then ever so often, now this time I'm not going to think I'm going to add water. I'm just going to smooth around those edges. And I'm going to pinch, 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 pinch. Then I'm going to push this back together and maybe mash it out a little more because I'm going to want the top just a little bit bigger there than it is. And I'm pinching, 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 pinching. Need a little more water there. See how I'm kind of pushing it back in? I'm holding it tight with the one hand and I'm pushing it back with the other. Now I'm going to take it on the table and do like this. Sometimes that helps. I'm going to do like that so it'll be flat on the bottom. And then I'm just going to keep working with it. Just going to try to make these edges nice and smooth. Try to make them even. So I might do that again. Pinch, 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 pinch. Smooth it around. This is all about pinching it, smoothing it, getting the right moisture content with the water, and keep working on it. Now I'm kind of doing the same thing I did a while ago with my thumb, except now I'm just turning the whole pot around to do it. But I'm trying to even up the sides because I'm wanting it to be nice and neat as I can. Nice and neat. Now see, when it has a few cracks like that, I want to take the water. The water is kind of like the glue. It puts those two pieces together. Now I'm almost going to get too much water if I'm not careful, so I'm probably going to stop here with it. Alright, then you're going to take your ink pen or your pencil and you're going to put your name on the bottom. Not your initials, your name. So I'm going to go real carefully here and make my name on the bottom. There's my name. Alright, there's my pinch pot. This is Sarah Poff and those pinch pots. This is my art hands are helping me out here. You have a great day now.